Exercise 13.1, question 8. From a solid cylinder whose height is 2.4 cm and diameter is 1.4 cm, a conical cavity of the same height and same diameter is hollowed out. Find the total surface area of the remaining solid to the nearest centimeter square. Here what is given? Solid cylinder is given. Height of the cylinder and diameter is given, that is 2.4 and 1.4. And from this cylinder, a conical cavity is made such that the height of this cavity and diameter remains the same. Once this cavity is made, we have to find the remaining total surface area of the solid. So find total surface area of the remaining solid. To find this, we need CSA of this. Once this cavity is removed, the height of the cylinder remains the same. So we need the CSA of the cylinder plus this base, the base area of the cylinder. This is the cavity, so we remove this. This side will remain the same, that is pi r square. And also CSA of this cone, surface area of the cone. So CSA of the cylinder, base area of the cylinder and CSA of the conical part. That is 2 pi RH plus pi r square plus pi r L. Let us see what is given. Curved surface area of a cone is pi r L. Height is 2.4 centimeter and the diameter is 1.4 centimeter. So here we need the radius, that will be 0.7. Again we need a slant height. Slant height is not given. We'll take slant height is equal to under root r square plus h square. R is given, that is 0.7, and h is given 2.4. Let us substitute in this. We get r is 0.7 whole square plus 2.4 whole square. 0.7 whole square is nothing but 0.7 into 0.7. We can multiply 7 7s are 49 and put 2 decimal places, that is 0.49. 24 and 24 is 576. So 2.4. So 2 decimal places we get 5.76. Sum of this will be L is equal to root under root 625. That is point, insert a point after 2, 1 to 6.25. That answer will be 2.5. The slant height is 2.5. Curved surface area of the cylinder is 2 pi RH. Here height is given and diameter is given. Diameter is 1.4 centimeter. So radius will be 0.7 and the height is 2.4 centimeter. Total surface area of the remaining solid is CSA of the cylinder, that is 2 pi RH plus pi r square plus pi rl. In this the r is common. CSA of the cylinder, the r is 0.7, the radius is 0.7. Both the case the radius is the same. When the base area of cylinder also its r is the same. So we can simplify the formula by taking pi r as common. Pi r and pi r as common. Pi r into here 2 into h plus r plus L. After simplifying, the calculation become easy. So we can take, instead of 2.4, we can take it as 24 by 10. Or if we are okay with the decimal number, we can do with the decimal number also. So pi is 22 by 7 into r is 0.7 and take it as 7 by 10 into 2 into h is as it is 2.4, r is 7 by 10 plus L is 2.5. I'll take it as 25 by 10. So here we can cancel 2 times 2 11s are 2 5s are 2 11s are 2 5s are. Then 7 also will get cancelled. And this will simplify this term. 2 into 2.4 is 4.8. And this denominator is same. We can add this number 7 plus 25. So 11 by 5. This is into 4.8 plus 7 plus 25 is 32 by 10. And this 4.8, let us write it as 48 by 10. So 11 by 5 as it is. Here denominator is same. We can add these two numbers. 48 plus 32 is 80. So 11 by 5 into 80 by 10. 0, 0 we can cancel. So we have 11 into 8. 88 by 5. 88 by 5. When we divide this number, we get 17.6 centimeters square. The total surface area of the remaining solid is 17.6 centimeter square. This is the answer.